Hey guys, today I'm cooking for you some Humpty Doo Barramundi spring rolls. They are so delicious and extremely easy to make. Anyway, but here's a bit of a barramundi fact for you. The large female barramundi can produce up to 32 million eggs per season. That's huge. Anyway, let's go. Alright guys, for the Humpty Doo Barramundi spring rolls, I'll go through the list of ingredients with you. Some Chinese cabbage, which has been cooked off in sesame oil with salt and pepper. So probably looking at around about 150 grams. 400 grams of Humpty Doo Barramundi, and I've just really diced that finely. Grated carrot, it's going to add a bit of colour. Got myself some spring onions, 2 spring onions, and I've just finely chopped those. Roasted garlic, just going to add some beautiful, really roasted flavour. Dark soy sauce, fish sauce, salt and pepper to taste. When putting these spring rolls together, I like to add a bit of crunch. It's optional, but over here we've got some beautiful bamboo shoots. I've just finely sliced those, and also here water chestnuts. It's easy. Combine it all together in your bowl over there, and you've got yourself the mixture that is going to make our spring rolls for today. So there it is guys, that is our mixture done. So we've combined everything together, so now all I have to do, get the spring roll sheets out and start rolling. Alright guys, so for your spring rolls, just take a really nice heaped dessert spoon. I'm just going to place that in the middle, discard anything that falls off. Now, what we want there, then I'm going to fold it. Right, just use your fingers for this. That's the one. Fold over on the side like that. Fold over on the other side. And then what we do is we're going to roll our spring roll. Roll it, try and roll it as tight as you can. When you come up to this bit on the edge, as you can see I've just got some water there. I'm just going to brush it with my finger. That is going to make the pastry stick together, so that when we cook our spring roll, it won't come apart. Alright, and then we just finish rolling that. Turn him over. A little pat down with some more water if you need to. But look at that. That's what you want. It's got a nice seal. That's what you're after. One spring roll, and we've got quite a few to do. So there they are. That's exactly what you want. Beautiful Humpty Doo Barramundi spring rolls. And I tell you what, they look fantastic and they taste even better.